2024 crypto bull run is on right now. What are your picks? What are your coins that you're watching? That's what we're going to be talking about today on the League of Hustlers. I'm your co-host HT,
I'm CD Barnes.
and you know what it is. Let's prepare to prosper. All right, last bull run, we gave you, was it like 10 coins, bro? It was a few coins that we gave you that we were like, "Yo, we're watching these. Watch them."
Mhm.
We did a follow-up episode to show that all of those coins went bananas, and so we're back again with another list. All right, we're with another list of picks that we think are gonna do pretty well, and this time around, all right, this time around, these are what we're calling the low cap gems. All right. If you don't know what low cap means, that means low in market cap. All right. But we're saying the low cap gems. All right. So without further ado, without further ado, okay. We made this little chart just to keep track of it and stuff like that and to make some calculations. If you want to drop a comment and say, I want that, and then we'll let you know how you can get it. All right. Get access to it. Anyway. All right. So I'm only gonna focus on the ones at the bottom. All right. These ones at the bottom are high probability. Okay. And FYI, this came from Ian Bellina's um low cap gem episode that he did on token metrics. Go and check those guys out. They drop alpha all the time. Okay. So starting out, Alephium. Okay, Alephium is currently sitting at $2.79. Okay, it's on Uni Swap, it's on Gate and Mexi. Okay, at on December 5th. Okay, on December 5th, it was at $37,000 market cap. As of today, its current price
Yeah.
is at $200,000.
Wow.
Now, this column right here is called the base case market cap. So essentially, what industry experts are estimating the crypto market space to grow to is around $10 trillion. If that's the case, okay, this is what this base case means. If that's the case, that means Alephium would potentially hit $3 billion. Okay, all things being equal, if everything goes as planned, it should hit 3 billion. Now, this is in no shape, form, or fashion financial advice.
Not at all.
Invest at your own risk. Okay, just think this is just stuff that we're pointing out, right? We're collecting information and just saying what we think it may do. Invest at your own risk. Do not take anything I'm saying as advice. Okay, all right. Now that that has been, you know, clarified, the moon case, okay, the moon case in this current crypto bull run is that it could hit up to 14 to 15 trillion dollars. That's the moon case. That's like if everything just goes wonderful. Okay. Is it likely? Probably not. Okay. But if things do go very well, we could be looking at a $21 billion Alephium, okay, from its current market cap of $200 million, jumping up to 21 billion. That alone, okay, is what, 100x, right? Something like that. Am I right, City?
That's pretty close, man.
Exactly. You know what I mean? So again, that's the moon case, right? That's like perfect world. All right. But base case, we're looking at a $3 billion Alephium. Again, not financial advice. Now, if that happens, that's basically a 10x. You know what I mean? So it's a little over a 10x. So cross your fingers, maybe you can hit it. All right. Um, any questions, any comments, questions about it? Leave it in the comments. All right. Next
Now
up.
let's pull up at the bottom of the chart down there, right? So at the
Okay.
bottom of the chart, we have this. If you put, let's say $200,
Right.
and let's put it on
Let's
Alephium.
change this. Let's say we put in How much?
I mean, would you wanna
Just
go
something other
lower or
than
higher?
200. Whatever, just something different. Just show that it changes, bro.
Okay, alright, let's put 500 on Alephium
Alright.
and, yeah, there we go. Right. So that $500, if Alephium reaches the base case, that could yield you $45,000
That
from
was
5.
back in December,
Right,
but it'll
okay,
be
right.
different. Yeah, yeah,
It
it's crazy.
right, if we started back then.
Yep,
So, the potential the rolling return case base is alright, 7,000. Moon
yep.
case, 52,000. So, a lot of it yeah, so what we're looking at right now is it's on the move, it's happening, it's already you know what I mean? It's already started the path.
Right.
But it's not over though, right? You still have the opportunity to make gains on these particular projects, but they've already been moving.
Oh, yeah.
If you
And
jumped in now though
right, and this is nothing to cough at either.
no,
You
it's
know
not.
what I
That's
mean?
well over a 10x. You put in
Right.
500 and get 7,000, I think you've done well.
Yeah. Shoot. You did quite well. You know what I
Yeah,
mean? And,
very
and that's the
well.
point of showing, like, you put in 5,000, boom, that could turn into 76,000. You see what I'm saying? Potentially. Who
Mhm.
knows, right? This is just guesstimates. Just guesstimates. And
Right.
like TD was saying up here, in this is one thing we need to talk about, right? In crypto, this is why it's really good to stay abreast, stay knowledgeable, stay educated about what's going on. If you had a got in on December 5th of 2023, this is what you're looking at. Look at the difference between these two, right? So it's important to know, like, understand crypto and how it works, right? So in crypto, you want to invest in the bear market. That's where you got to jump in at. The bear market. Super duper important. All right. Next up, we got Demo. Demo. All right. Demo is currently sitting at 43 cents. It's on Coinbase. Now, it's taking a little hit, right? But on 12/5, December 5th last year, it was at $19,000. Right now, it's currently sitting at $88 million. Okay. Base case, we're looking at $2 billion. That's if the whole market hits 10 trillion. If the market goes up to like 14, 15 trillion, we should be looking at a $7 billion market cap demo. Okay. Um, any thoughts on that, bro?
Nah, put it in the calculator at the bottom. Switch it over. If you put that 5,000 in demo
Okay,
or
five.
whatever,
Okay. Into demo. Boom.
right?
You had a got in
Rolling
back then,
case.
you looking at whoo.
Right. Right. Yeah. And so, yeah, even if you jumped in now, okay, with the base case at 5,000, you're looking at a 20x, 100K.
Woo.
That's solid, man.
Crazy. What a time to be alive, folks. Right? Moon case, you're looking at almost half a million.
Right.
Okay, almost half a million. $5,000. That's nothing to cough at, right? Let's
Yep.
drop this down
Yeah.
to 1,000. Right
What
there,
about
you
100? What if I only got $100? I mean, these are these are high risk coins now because the low caps,
very true.
don't be confused.
Don't be
They
playing
could
around.
drop to nothing. They could go to 0. So
Zero.
let's just put $100 on there.
There you
Okay.
go.
You put $100 in the moon case, you can get pretty close to 10,000, you know, getting up to 8,500 with $100,
Yep. 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 Yep.
which again, that's good. That's
You,
good money
you
right
only
there.
put in 100. You
You
only
only
put
put
in 100 and get back 2,000. That's crazy. You can't do that. Put it in the bank and see what happens.
right.
All right.
Exactly.
Next up, we got Game Swift. Okay. Game Swift is sitting at 68 cents. It's on Uniswap. Okay. On December 5th of last year, it was $25 million market cap. Right now, it's at a $42 million market cap. So it hadn't jumped as high as some of these other ones, but it is a gaming token, right? The gaming narrative is big. Okay, it's big right now. And a lot of people are calling for it to be even bigger. Okay, so we'll see. All right, who knows? We'll see. Okay, so from the base case, we're looking at a $2.7 billion Game Swift token. All right, Moon case, we're looking at 13.3 billion. Okay, let's say we put 200 on Game Swift. Okay, simple math. If we had got in back then, that 200 could have potentially turned into $22,000, right? But since we're getting in later, that 200 could turn into $4,000 under the base case, and under the moon case, right? Wishful thinking, it could turn into $16,000. All right. Um, any
Nice.
points on that, bro? Oh, hold on.
Nah.
One more. That's wrong.
Oh,
That's
yeah,
wrong.
there we go. Yeah, switch
Yeah.
it up down there. Let's get that
There
math
we
right.
go. My bad. My bad. So yeah,
There
that
we go.
200 could turn into 12 or could turn into 58 in terms of the moon case.
Nice. Yeah, so you get the point, right? And so essentially take a moment and look up these low cap gems on your own. All right. If
Right.
you want access to the sheet, leave a comment, send us a message, and we can get you access to the sheet.
Yeah,
All right.
join the mailing list, man.
Join
Join
the
the
join mailing list.
That's what you need to do.
Sign
Make sure
up.
yeah. Yeah. Hit the like button. Subscribe. How about that? Next up, we got Hive Mapper. Hive Mapper is in the DPIN narrative, which means decentralized physical integrated networks or something like that, right? I can't remember exactly what it stands for, but basically is collecting data from devices, right? Think about Waze or Google Maps and how it collects data from everybody's cell phones and says, "Oh, it's a traffic jam over here." Why? Because all of these cell phones that are in this on this highway are jammed up right here and they're not moving a lot, right? That's essentially what um DPIN is, right? Decentralized physical something networks. But anyway, Hive Mapper, right? Their token is called Honey. It's sitting at 15 cents. It is on Coinbase, right? It came in last year, December. It was sitting at beginning of December, it was sitting at $23 million. It has jumped up to 154 million. Okay. The base case this bull run, we're looking at $3.3 billion. So currently from 155 to 3.3, right? Um, that's where we're looking at. All right. And as we speak, I'm looking, honey is down. It just dropped 7%. So be careful out here. All right. Be careful out here. Moon case, it should hit 22 billion. Right. Other one connects, right? And mint layer, right? Like CD was saying, you see the sheet, you see how this stuff works. Okay, so these are our picks. Alephium, things that we're watching. Demo, okay, Game Swift, Hive Mapper, Connects, and Mint Layer, right? With Mint Layer being that one, right? Might be the GOAT, might get the highest returns. Who knows? All right. But anyway, this has been another episode of the League of Hustlers. Jot these coins down, man, and take a look at them and just follow them, right? That's all we're saying. Just take a look at them.
Right.
We're not saying to invest, just take a look. All right. Any questions or concerns, hit us up at questions at League of Hustlers. Let's get it. Let's go. Follow for more. Shit.